This is Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Today, our subject of discussion is from the diary of a cardiologist. What to consume? You know that I am not a cardiologist. I am a general practitioner of homeopathic chronic medicines. This is one of my friends. From his diary, he is a cardiologist. From his diary, I have collected this. To start with, he has given a basic fundamental information about the load of CVD or cardiovascular disease. Presently, about 1.8 crore of persons are killed in cardiovascular diseases. This is about 32% of total death and number one cause of death in the world. What to consume? Number one, avocado. Verified experimentally that consuming avocado daily increases good cholesterol, HDL, high density lipoprotein, and decreases bad cholesterol, low density lipoprotein, resulting less occurrence of cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases, in this series I will refer just to. One is angina pectoris, another is heart attack. What to consume? Number two, pomegranate. Scientists have noted antioxidants of pomegranate save arterial walls from damage and produce nitric oxide to keep the blood thin. What to consume? Number three, turmeric. Antioxidants of turmeric decrease inflammation in the body to reduce atherosclerosis. So arterial wall remains intact, blood clots form seldom, reducing occurrence of cardiovascular disease significantly. What to consume? Number four, spirulina. Light yellowish green algae regulates. That is, this spirulina is light yellowish green algae. Regulates lipid level of the blood to control blood pressure as well as arterial wall, reducing chances of occurrence of cardiovascular disease. What to consume? Number five, cranberry. Experiments prove that antioxidants of cranberry reduce level of LDL and increase level of HDL, so much so that chances of attack of CVDs get lowered by 40%. What to consume? Number six, green tea. Catechins of green tea cause lesser absorption of cholesterol during digestion and improve lipid level of blood to reduce blockage in artery, thus avert cardiovascular diseases. What to consume? Number seven, cinnamon. Antioxidants of cinnamon remove plaques from arteries and also resist its formation. Regular intake of powdered cinnamon with tea, coffee or toast definitely lowers the chance of attacks of cardiovascular diseases. What to consume? Number 8, persimmon. Antioxidant and polyphenols of this honey-like smelling fruit lower the LDL and triglyceride level in the blood. Its fibers control the BP and clean arteries. CVDs get no chance to raise their heads. What to consume? Number 9, broccoli. Fibers of broccoli stabilize blood pressure and do not allow to form plaque in arteries. One gets definite benefits from its regular intake. What to consume? Number 10, asparagus. Asparagus contains variety of antioxidant minerals and a lot of fibers which control blood pressure and do not allow blockage to form in the arteries. Cardiovascular diseases get least chance to occur. With this, the video ends here. Thanks for viewing and listening.